Everyone, so free quarter between Tamil Nadu and Bihar. Toss time, call of Bihar. And Bihar won the toss, so it's caught. So, latest from the Gaya Bihar 34th Sub Junior National Kabaddi Championship 2025. Tamil Nadu between Bihar. So, Tamil once again definitely on the fire. It's a really crucial knockout. Kartika Tiger, sorry, her sister Kavya and Firya. स्टार्ट होता मैच 6 नंबर 6 इस वक्त 9 नंबर माफ़ कीजिए नंबर 9 तमिलनाडु ऑन द राइड. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इंटरेस्टिंग मैच. वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू. आप सबका स्वागत अभिनंदन. मैं मिस्टर गजानंद आरजे विद सुपर्ब कवरेज एंड फाइन स्टार्ट वंस अगेन विद द बोनस. तमिलनाडु 1 एंड बिहार ट्राई टू ओपन अकाउंट नंबर 4. 1-0 से आगे इस वक्त तमिलनाडु, जबकि बिहार खाता खोलने की तैयारी में. सेफ कम बैक और लीजिए कैप्टन ऑफ तमिल प्रिया ऑन द राइट टू द राइट कॉर्नर एंड एक्सीलेंट फ्लाइंग इन द एयर एज सेम एज इट इज एयर इंडिया प्लेन एंड सेकेंड पॉइंट गोज टू तमिल स्कोर. सो थैंक यू सो मच ऑल आर कबड्डी फैंस. आप सबका धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा दिल की गहराई से. और बिहार पहले पॉइंट की तलाश में, जबकि 2 पॉइंट अर्जित कर चुका है तमिल. क्या यहाँ पॉइंट मिलेगा? यस इट इज. पहला पॉइंट इसमें बिहार के खाते में. फाइनली टाइगर कव्या ऑन द फायर. एक्सप्रेस कार्तिका एक्सप्रेस यंगर सिस्टर. सो इट्स डेफिनेटली की तमिल and partner of Priya try to continue bonus, second bonus and 1 point addition into the Tamil score moves now 3, but Bihar on 1, 2 point leading. So after good start, Tamil Nadu defense may be strong against Bihar. Safe comeback without any point, no damage done. One time Priya and one time Kavya. So it's a very positive thing, very strong game for the both side. Clear नहीं था. Try to bonus but not clear. I think it's some centimeter missing for clearly. And Mr. Gajanand from Gaya Bihar 34th Sub Junior National Kabaddi Championship 2025 and free quarter and continue for the victory. Knockout and need to victory for ticket of quarter final. A strong defense and first point with the defense Tamil Nadu, but bonus favor in Bihar. 2 and 4. Sorry, 5. Tamil score on 5 and Bihar on 2. 3 point leading and Tiger of Tamil Kavya Express. Try to bonus and angle hold. Strong, excellent, superb reply defense to defense. और बेहतरीन जवाब देता है यहाँ बिहार. तीसरी पॉइंट के साथ अब 2 पॉइंट पीछे है सिर्फ GD गोइंका पब्लिक स्कूल गया बिहार. इस समय कबड्डी की खूबसूरत बानगी में नहाया हुआ और बेहतरीन मुकाबला. देखते हैं आखिर कौन सी टीम यहाँ बाजी मारती है. जो जीता वही सिकंदर के रूप में क्वार्टर फाइनल में जाएगा. नॉकआउट का ये दौर, क्योंकि लीग कल यह समाप्त हो चुकी है. काव्या, सॉरी, कैप्टन ऑफ तमिल प्रिया नंबर 1 एंड व्हाट ए प्ले, व्हाट ए ब्रेव गर्ल. ओहो नजरें हटी और दुर्घटना घटी. Missing the eye contact with the angle defender and solidly defense Bihar. Once again back to back second defense and now score 4 and 6. 2 point difference between these two and a solid angle hold. Now Tamil Nadu, great work. Official timeout. So solid defense. Kavya running on the track. Excellent in great touch. Super performance. Continue. And Tamil Nadu. Oh, Chan corner to corner. Superb catch here. बिहार की भी तारीफ करनी होगी. अभी भी 4 पॉइंट की बढ़त है तमिलनाडु के पास. तमिलनाडु लीडिंग 4 पॉइंट here. But definitely very interesting. And it's a starting moment. I think 6 minutes a game played so far. But Tamil Nadu on high confidence. Bihar also trying to continue in the match. Number 5 reaching easily. Only single point into the addition. Sorry, score now 8 and 5. So 3 point leading here, Tamil. So slowly coming back Bihar. Try to bonus, and yes, it is. One more addition into the total Bihar. 6-8. So Tiger, Kavya Express and Priya's partner, number 9 on the red, and face expression not so good here. Silently moved, but Bihar will want to take here. Oh, losing Bihar to the right corner, and score continue growing Tamil. So what would you think about a knockout match? All our Kabaddi fans, you are most welcome. Your comments, your likes, and your positive vibes. Kavya, number 2. Oh, solid attack, and with the speed stop the Express. Tamil Nadu Express, and Tamil goes to in double figure 10. But Bihar on 6, 4 point lead. So it's a good and superb signature. Tamil Nadu may be happy so far in this match. Attack, and really solid the defense with the power and consistency. Really remarkable. Super tackle on. Kavya will want to all out here, I think, for the big lead, but not easy as easy. Will want to safe comeback. Yes, written without any mistake. Number 12, little bit under pressure. 3 player only on the Bihar court. So Tamil Nadu need to defense, I think, but Bihar much needed. Kavya with the positive signal, face expression, and running attack. Yes, it is on the corner, and we will have to wait and see. Train, really what a speed of an Indian train, and Kavya Express will take one more point. Yes, it is. So I think this angle side between defender and a big gap, but point goes to favor in Tamil Nadu. Tamil on big lead here. दबाव में है. 12 number solid defense, and now Tamil Nadu goes to for big achievement. Last player of the Bihar, and easily all out here. First time Bihar all out against Tamil Nadu. Put together for Tamil. Time out. So the score 14 Tamil and 6 6 Bihar and one more point into the Bihar score. 7-14, double score Tamil. So Tamil definitely a very challenging team. Kavya Express once again on the attacking mood. Oh ho ho ho, what a catch, great catch Bihar, and little bit injury would have saved here Tamil. So Tamil 14 and Bihar on 8. 14-8, 6-point leading. So it's really Bihar playing on home ground, but Tamil Nadu long distancing and really a great fight for Tamil Nadu. Try to do long time, return safe, and warning for Bihar. So एक बार फिर से बिहार और solid double thigh attack, reaching into the center line, and it's a big blow, big mistake Tamil. Double couple of points here. Bihar coming slowly in this match with the 2 point. Bihar comes in double figure. What a match! Oh, what a challenge! And solid. Raider may be out, and bonus favor in Tamil and common point. Both side single point, but last 2 players super tackle on, and it's first time big problem under pressure Tamil here, and match is changing here. So what a comeback slowly Bihar calling for point. I think no damage done. Score steady. Oh ho ho ho! Catch once again. One more hard and superb catch. And now excellent jawab, excellent return, excellent reply of Bihar against Tamil Nadu. All out. Both teams one time out. Score now each 15 Tamil and 15 also same score Bihar. So what a match and a great comeback, definitely, no doubt about. बिहार की जितनी तारीफ करें उतनी कम है पिछड़ने के बावजूद, और once again excellent work in the defense Bihar. Bonus favor in Tamil and point goes to for Bihar. So 16 each. Both side score same. Definitely बहुत बेहतरीन मैच. बिहार जीत के साथ ही क्वार्टर फाइनल में पहुंचना चाहेगा. तारीफ करनी होगी बिहार की होनहार बेटियों की. वहीं तमिलनाडु try to continue for the victory. Safe comeback without any addition. Kavya, Tiger of Tamil Express, who win the match. Definitely match maybe tie or not. What's your ideas and what's your thinking about every player and moment of the match? नंबर 4, 4 नंबर के इस समय होनहार बालिका इस वक्त शिक्षा के साथ साथ खेल जगत में मेजबान बिहार, और यहाँ ल्योजिंग काव्या इस बिग मिस्टेक, अनहैप्पी काव्या with the huge defense. Number 6 Tamil Nadu, height is really good, but Tamil Nadu need to much point here. Oh, running attack, try to bonus, and one more addition into the Tamil score. सत्रह 16 का स्कोर है, और बिहार तमिलनाडु का देखा जाए तो कांटे की तरह मुकाबला. वेरी पावरफुल मैच, एंड इट्स मिड टाइम, हाफ टाइम. So score now 17 each, and coach continue coaching with the players. Second half starting. So half time, very tight and crucial. Really, what a fight for both sides. Every player is very, very excited for the victory. Oh, solid defense once again Bihar, and once again एक बार फिर से बिहार बढ़त पे 1 पॉइंट की ही चाहिए. दूसरे हाफ में भी सॉलिड स्टार्ट ऑफ बिहार. बिहार एक बार फिर से 2-3 कदम पीछे गई है. बड़ी दहाड़ हो सकती है यहाँ. देखते हैं आखिर कैसे खेल को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. शेफ ही वापस जा रही हैं और बढ़त को देखते हुए समय बिताने की भी फितरत होगी बिहार की. प्रिया डी लाइन को छोकर वो शेफ कम बैक आफ्टर टच द डी लाइन. रिटर्न सेफली. 4 नंबर से इस वक्त बिहार डू और डाई. नव्या 18-17 के साथ 1 अंक की बढ़त है बेबी. और टैकल. ओहो, सुपर एंड फर्स्ट पॉइंट इन द सेकंड हाफ. तमिलनाडु टेकन. इट्स once again score now level 18 Tamil and same score 18 Bihar. What a match, really great match for both sides. Try to bonus Kavya Tiger, young star, and it's key of Tamil. Safe comeback. Number 8 Bihar red pay. Bihar need to must strong defense here, and losing number 1 Priya captain come out dug out. बिहार एक बार फिर से बढ़त बनाता हुआ तमिलनाडु के खिलाफ. नंबर 9 इस वक्त प्रयास और लीजिए. अब 2 अंक की बढ़त है और बिहार यहाँ से अब मजबूत आगे जाना चाहेगा. ये मौका है. यदि यहाँ से एक बार ऑल आउट कर दिया तमिलनाडु को तो फिर वापसी कतई आसान नहीं होगी बिहार के समक्ष. तमिलनाडु के लिए 18-20 का स्कोर. 2 अंक की बढ़त बिहार की बालिकाओं के पास. अंडर प्रेशर तमिल. Kavya. Tamilnadu need to fire. Running attack Tiger. Yes, it is on the corner. And its main strategy running attack and 1 more point. 19-20. 1 point behind Tamil Nadu. But Bihar playing on home ground. Superb offsetting. Solid decisions. Very clean and clear. No question mark for any decision, I think, so far. And every umpire, every official with the honesty and giving his best. Kavya once again. 19-20 score and double touch point. It's again a take and 2 more point. Yes, it is. Tamil Nadu once again on the leading. Tamil 21 and Bihar 20. So what a superb comeback. Tamil Nadu much needed, mostly in defense. Oh, angle hold, Kavya in double roll, and it's very crucial and bonus also taken. Bihar, but turning point maybe these types angle hold in the crucial and important time. 22 Tamil Nadu score and 21 Bihar. Oh ho ho ho, reaching double touch. Yes, it is very clever and intelligent work done it on this red. Kavya, game changer. Now 24 21 3 point leading and last player of the Bihar. So chance for the all out and try to continue with the safely and big red. Mistaking Tamil with the bonus one more point. Overall 2 point here. Bihar, Kavya on the right. 23 score now. Bihar 23 and Tamil Nadu 24. But super tackle on. Kavya continue on the fire. Tamil Nadu need to hear one all out. Double thigh attack. Reaching without any second try. One more point. Quarter century comes up. Tamil 2 point leading and here need to solid defense. Try to bonus. Tamil Nadu should be open bonus. Will be better. Otherwise losing. Excellent catch. Captain of Tamil Nadu. Solidly and all out second time. One first time and second time in this half. So finally 4 point leading in the crucial time. Second half. Score now. Tamil Nadu 28 and Bihar on 24. So number 4 point difference between these two. And what a match. Try to continue. Kavya on real great touch, no doubt about. And put together with the comments and Kavya need to use spot. Tamil Nadu doing super work, continue. So what would you think? What you want to hear? Bihar will win the match or Tamil will win the match? It's your ideas, your thoughts. And once again, Indian Railway Express on the track and Pirya captain of Tamil also on the track, attacking. Maybe fire, but will be better safely come back and no need to any risk Tamil here. Yes, Bihar little bit under pressure, थोड़ा सा दबाव में है जैसे मैच में पिछड़ा 28 से 24 के साथ है 4 अंक अभी भी पीछे है खाली हाथ ही वापस लौटना पड़ा do or die it will be interesting and sensational try to bonus number 7 defender is there in arrow corner to corner with C-shape and flying in the air should be reached. Yes, it is rather a shape. Good decision. Thank you for decision. Welcome officials. 29 now 5 point lead here in Tamil Nadu pocket and it's a good thing. 5 point पीछे हिस्सा तमिल नाडु के सामने बिहार वापसी की जुगत में लगातार प्रयासरत है मगर इतना आसान नहीं 8 नंबर शिष्ट में थोड़ा सा दबाव में और यहाँ सॉलिडली ऐसे मैच टाइगर डबल रोल इन द कैप्टन एक्सीलेंट रेडर सुपर्ब डिफेंडर 30 Tamil and 24 Bihar 6 point margin and on the crucial time taken time out team coach really coach also doing super work for Tamil. We'll want to save and Tamil Nadu passing the time here. Yes, 27 seconds finish after a return Kavya. And no need to any risk Tamil Nadu here on the good stage and maybe happy after some time. But we will have to wait and see. Last moment of the second half. Oh, reaching Bihar. Bihar पहुंचता हुआ इसमें बड़ी रन के साथ single point, only 1 point. Quarter century comes up Bihar 25-25. जबकि अभी भी 5 पॉइंट पीछे है वापसी की जुगत में. Number 6 Tamil. Oh, what a body language flying in the air, right hand, and it's consistency. Calling for the invite losing and any mistake. Tamil psychology very powerful and clever. Once again 27 or 28 second finish return here. Try to bonus put together for bonus. Welcome 26-30. Kavya, Priya and number 6 conversation each other of every year, but यहाँ कॉल की जा रही है इसमें टच पॉइंट की. देखते हैं रनिंग अटैक and we will have to wait and see. Yes, it is. So welcome for the decisions officials and point goes to for Tamil Nadu favor. Tamil Nadu moves on 32 and 26. Sorry, 31 Tamil Nadu and 26 Bihar. 5-point difference between these two. Free quarter and very crucial and very important. Last 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes remaining here. And Tamil Nadu will want to passing time with the safely come back. Kavya, double thigh attack, mistaking and wait and losing point. Bihar taken advantage. 27-31. लालच में आई जो समय गुजारा उसका नुकसान झेलना पड़ा तमिलनाडु को. और यहाँ एक बार फिर से लूजिंग तमिलनाडु 28-31. Only 3 points behind Bihar against Tamil. Thank you so much all our Kabaddi fans, all our listeners. I am Mr. Gajanan from Gaya, Bihar. 34th Sub-Junior National Kabaddi Championship 2025. Safe comeback once again. And Bihar should be on attacking mode. 3 points behind. Number 6, Tamil Nadu. Running and diving in their only single point here. 32. And we know 32 teeth in every human mouth. And same score of Tamil Nadu here. Now losing with the number 9. 79 with the bonus of double point 30-32. Only 2 points behind and now slowly coming back Bihar. Passing time. Why not? Losing. Lalat Puri Bala. Excellent work Tamil Nadu. And point going for Bihar, but finally taken Tamil Nadu here. 33-30. 3 points behind. Again, Bihar and passing time once again. Will want to pursue but safely. Clever. Or super work on the last defense Tamil Nadu. Very, very great on crucial time. Maybe that moment turning point. Bonus plus point. 32-33. Only 1 point behind Bihar against Tamil Nadu. And last minute to go. Score now 33 Tamil and 32 Bihar. 1 point lead here Tamil Nadu for the victory. And what will it? Flying and continue calling for the solid defense Bihar and score now level 33-33. Maybe match tie or not. Keep watching. Crucial time and just past the center line. Some centimeter behind Tamil Nadu Rider. 60 seconds remaining here. And now Bihar चाहेगा कि यहाँ इस समय 1 पॉइंट लिया जाए लेकिन सेफ ही वापिस आ रहा है. काव्या और को जाना चाहिए इस समय क्रूशियल टाइम में रेड पे. Official time out. So now some seconds are left and conversation Kavya with her partners, all players. So Kavya need to on the fire or attack with the conversation captain of Tamil Priya. So 1 point need for victory both sides. Score level And this red will be turning point of the match. Running attack number 2. Tiger of Tamil. Try to bonus. Shape comeback, it's not so good sign. Try to on this red, and now strong defense need Tamil. But Bihar चाहेगा कि यहाँ से पॉइंट हासिल करते हुए मैच को फिनिश करने के। सामने से कप्तान को अच्छा डिफेंस दिखाना होगा। क्या शेफ वापस आएंगे? अच्छा कंट्रोल, ओह solid, and finally Tamil Nadu leading here. Excellent, and it's a turning point. I mean, match is over here maybe. Yes, it is. So finally Tamil Nadu won the match by only 1 point. 34 is final score. 34 Tamil Nadu and 33 Bihar, and Tamil Nadu goes to for quarter final.